Gonna be taking a look inside this property. Looks pretty nice. Showing another $1 million property in this neighborhood. 2-car garage, bunch of colonials. Look at these houses. Oh yeah, look at that one. The house I'm showing kind of looks like that one. So if you're looking for luxury properties, you know who to call. Overall, I like to come early, take a look at the property, see what's going on. I need this in my house. This is nice. Check out this kitchen. Nice and open concept. I know everybody likes this for Thanksgiving, that double oven life. Let's take a look at this gas. Well, actually it's not gas fireplace, wood fireplace. I like this chandelier. And just remember, luxury houses have things wrong with them as well, right? The sill, I don't know if you could see it in this picture, but the sill in this house is broken. I mean, in the window is broken. Nice detail on that fireplace. And then, obviously, the bigger the house,